defined body of knowledge means the person should have specialized knowledge, for example CA, qualification of law, etc. Second one is restricted entry. Restricted entry means the entry to a profession is restricted through acquiring an educational degree. You should have educational degree. For example, for the law, you should have, for joining of the law profession, you should have degree of law. For the CA, you should have the degree of CA. So there is a restricted entry, but in case of management, there is no such condition for being a manager. Hence, on the basis of management cannot be accepted as profession. Third one is professional association. The third characteristics of profession is it must have a representative professional association which perform the following important functions like regulate entries, grant certificate of practice, create a code of conduct for guiding the activity of the profession. For example, Bar Council of India for lawyers, Medical Council of India for doctor, Institute of Chartered Accountant for chartered accountants, etc. The manager All India Management Association has been established, but it is not essential to be a member of AIMA in order to a manager. On the basis of मैनेजमेंट कैन नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड एज अ प्रोफेशन, कि मैनेजमेंट को आप प्रोफेशन की तरह नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर सकते, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि जैसे कि बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया फॉर लॉयर्स के लिए है, मेडिकल काउंसिल फॉर इंडिया के लिए, बट मैनेजर के लिए ऐसी कोई भी एसोसिएशन नहीं है. फोर्थ है एथिकल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. एथिकल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट मीन्स कि ओथ लेना, शपथ लेना. किसी भी प्रोफेशनल के लिए यू शुड हैव एथिकल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर डॉक्टर, फॉर लॉ, फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, दे शुड हैव एथिकल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. मीन्स जब वो प्रोफेशन को चूज़ करते हैं, जब वो क्वालिफाइड होते हैं, तो उनको ओथ दिलाई जाती है कि यू विल डू द वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर डॉक्टर है, दे हैव कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट फॉर दे विल सर्विस फॉर द सोसाइटी. दे विल नॉट सी देयर बेनिफिट, दे विल ओनली डू द सर्विस ऑफ द सोसाइटी. एज अ लॉ दे विल also code of conduct chartered accountant, but in case of management it is not accept as a profession. लेकिन मैनेजमेंट एज प्रोफेशन में ऐसा नहीं है. फिफ्थ पॉइंट है सर्विस मोटिव. द मेन मोटिव ऑफ प्रोफेशन इज सर्व द सोसाइटी. अब जितने भी आपने प्रोफेशन की बात की है, डॉक्टर, लॉयर्स या चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, they are work for the society. For example, no doubt a doctor follow his profession for his living, but he also ensure that his patient get justice happens to be his chief motive. They will provide a service to the patient, though there is no code of conduct regarding the management, but it's a social responsibility being stressed upon increasingly. In last conclusion, on the basis of above study, we will conclude that management is not treated as a profession. There is also some characteristics which are not developed in the management as a profession. There is still infancy and its development moving at a slow speed. Management treated as a profession, it's a very slow speed.